So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be telling you YouTube premium subscription won't be available until you update your payment method. So many of you may have faced this error, and this is mainly because at the time of your subscription renewal you didn't have enough balance. So now when you have enough balance, how you can renew your subscription? So the easy solution to this problem is just by going directly to the YouTube website or app, and from there you can simply update your YouTube premium subscription. I'm here on YouTube premium website, and from here I'm going to show you how can I get YouTube premium. So at this stage it says try 1 month for free because I'm logged into a different account just for the sake of this video. So just click on try 1 month, and from here select your package. I'm gonna go with individual, then click on confirm, and from here you can see that my payment method is linked and it's showing me the total amount which will be deducted from my account every month. So from here if you click on buy, you will see it will ask for your security code, and then after entering your security code you can click on verify, and then you will have successfully renewed your YouTube premium subscription. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video.